November 23, 2024. Administered by People's Education Employees Association District Karachi. A function to appoint the organizing committee of PEAS Landhi Town was held at Government Boys High Secondary School No. 01. In which on behalf of People's Education Employees Association Karachi Sindh, COC member Honorable Mr. Mahmood Ali Rajput and COC member Mr. Ali Hassan Gabal Sahib and District Karachi. Chief Organizer Karachi Honorable Nazir Ahmed Sadeo, Senior Deputy Organizer Karachi Ms. Shista Banu, Deputy Organizers Karachi Honorable Mr. Shanawaz, Deputy Organizer Karachi Hassan Qayyum, Mr. Muhammad Aslam Arain and Mr. Aniz Ahmed Chana. Specially attended. The event was started with the blessed name of Lord Almighty. After the initial introduction of all the hosts, the objectives and manifesto of the association were announced. The problems faced by the employees in the education department were discussed. At the end of the ceremony, the appointment notifications were given to the newly elected officials and representatives. Honorable Mr. Amjad Ali Shah Sahib was elected Chief Organizer of Landhi Town and Honorable Mr. Sheikh Muhammad Arsalan, Ms. Cyrus Sagir, Honorable Arsalan Aslam as Deputy Organizer. Ms. Saima Sumro, Mr. Muhammad Arif and among the members Mr. Abdul Wahab, Mr. Taimur, Tufail Sahib, Ms. Zarina Sahib were selected and the ceremony ended with good wishes and good hopes for the future. Nasir Imran Bukshi. Media Coordinator. People Education Employees Association Sindh Karachi.